Welcome everyone. In this training session, we will look at the top 7 GMP violations most frequently cited during FDA inspections. Recent inspection data shows that many pharmaceutical companies continue to repeat the same compliance mistakes. Understanding these violations is important because they reveal systemic weaknesses in quality systems that can lead to warning letters, recalls, and risks to patient safety. Today we will examine what goes wrong, why it happens, and how organizations can prevent these failures. FDA inspections play a critical role in protecting public health. In fiscal year 2025, the FDA issued 112 GMP warning letters, the highest number seen in more than 2 decades. These inspections do not just focus on isolated mistakes. They focus on systemic failures within quality systems. When serious violations are discovered, companies may face Form 483 observations, warning letters, import alerts, and even product recalls. That is why understanding inspection trends helps organizations stay ahead of enforcement actions. The first and most frequently cited violation relates to quality unit responsibilities, defined under 21 CFR 211.22. More than half of inspected facilities receive citations in this area. The common issue is that the quality unit does not have real authority within the organization. Production pressure may override quality decisions, or the quality unit may lack sufficient staffing or resources. In some cases, processes are not validated properly and control records are not maintained. The solution is simple but critical: clearly define quality unit authority, responsibilities, and escalation pathways, ensuring the quality unit has the independence to enforce GMP standards. The second major violation involves inadequate testing and approval of raw materials, under 21 CFR 211.84. Identity testing failures appear in nearly 60% of warning letters. Often the root cause is outdated supplier qualification records or incomplete vendor files. Another common problem occurs when materials are tested only for purchasing requirements rather than GMP compliance. If raw materials are not properly verified, substandard or misidentified materials may enter production, creating serious patient risks. Strong supplier qualification programs and proper incoming material testing are essential controls. The third violation involves missing or incomplete written procedures, governed by 21 CFR 211.100. In GMP environments, written procedures are the foundation of process control. When SOPs are vague or incomplete, operators may perform activities inconsistently. Another common issue is failure to document deviations when unexpected events occur. Without proper documentation, organizations lose visibility into quality risks. Remember an important GMP principle: if it is not written, it is not controlled. Procedures must be clear, approved, current, and consistently followed. Another major violation is the failure to properly investigate product discrepancies, as described in 21 CFR 211.192. FDA inspectors frequently observe investigations that close too quickly without identifying the real root cause. Sometimes out-of-specification results are invalidated without proper scientific justification. CAPA actions may also be ineffective or never implemented. For example, an OTC drug manufacturer in California received a warning letter after regulators discovered a pattern of inadequate batch failure investigations. Effective investigations require thorough root cause analysis and verified corrective actions. The fifth violation relates to laboratory controls, under 21 CFR 211.160 and 211.165. Laboratory testing is the final verification that products meet quality specifications. However, many facilities operate with unvalidated analytical methods or incomplete testing procedures. In some cases, products are released without adequate laboratory confirmation. When laboratory controls are weak, the reliability of quality data becomes questionable. And when data cannot be trusted, patient safety is directly at risk. The sixth violation concerns equipment cleaning and maintenance, defined under 21 CFR 211.67. Inspection reports show that about 22% of facilities are cited for equipment design or cleanliness issues. Cleaning procedures may not be validated, especially in aseptic areas. Equipment surfaces may become damaged or difficult to clean, creating contamination risks. Maintenance schedules may also be ignored, leaving equipment qualification incomplete or expired. Preventive maintenance and validated cleaning programs are essential to maintaining product safety. The seventh major violation involves production and batch record documentation, under 21 CFR 211.188. Documentation is often described as the strongest defense during an FDA inspection. Common problems include incomplete records, late entries, or inaccurate documentation. Handwritten corrections without proper signatures can also raise serious data integrity concerns. Many organizations now use electronic quality management systems and electronic batch records to reduce errors and improve traceability. Remember the classic GMP rule: if it was not documented, it did not happen. To stay inspection ready, organizations must treat GMP compliance as a continuous discipline. First, build a strong quality system that operates every day, not just before inspections. Second, empower the quality unit with clear authority and adequate resources. Third, ensure that procedures are current, methods are validated, and documentation is complete. Fourth, perform deep investigations with verified corrective actions. Finally, modern technology such as electronic quality systems can greatly improve data integrity and traceability. In the end, GMP compliance is not just about avoiding warning letters. It is about protecting patients. Every procedure followed, every record completed, and every investigation performed contributes to the safety and quality of medicines used by millions of people. Proactive compliance protects both public health and the future of your organization. Thank you for your attention.